Before I came to this office, my smile was fine. It was more my TMJ disorder and the headaches that came along with it. I've received several dental procedures at this office. Most of it has been routine, cleanings, whitening, but the biggest thing was treating my TMJ disorder and getting the Urbanics. The Urbanic has been absolutely wonderful. This is a particular device that I never imagined existed, and it has solved my headaches. I wake up feeling more refreshed after sleeping well. I just can't imagine not having it. I never really would imagine that just a small medical device that I put into my mouth would have had such an amazing difference. It has enabled me to sleep better, sleep more comfortably. I feel more refreshed when I wake up. And the amazing thing is that the headaches that I always associated with my allergies weren't associated with my allergies. It was associated with grinding my teeth and having TMJ. And now that I have the Urbanic, I don't have to worry about it. I was one of those people who went from kind of dental practice to dental practice and never really felt like I had a home. And then my mom started coming here, and all she could do was rave about the doctors. And so I decided that I would start coming here, and I started seeing Dr. Holmes, and I just knew that there was no other place for me, and that I really knew that I was going to be taken care of. So Dr. Holmes, he's a really great guy. The one thing about coming here to this dental practice is that all of the staff are great. They welcome you by name, they ask how your family is, and they just genuinely care about you. And you just feel like you're kind of being taken care of. Ever since having started coming to Vitality Dental, I've recommended them to many people. As a matter of fact, in my line of work, I often have people who are new to town and they ask where they might have great dentists, and I always mention that Vitality Dental and Dr. Holmes is the best place to go. There are amazing great benefits to being at Vitality Dental, from having wonderful dental hygienists who give you great tips on how to keep your teeth clean, to making sure that they look at every kind of nook and cranny in your mouth, to the fact that you really feel like you're coming to a practice that treats you and your whole person, and that they know you and they know your mouth and what could be of benefit to you. One amazing thing about Vitality Dental is the fact that they treat you as a person. You're not just a client. You're not just somebody who's walked into the door. They truly care about you. They know who you are, that you see the same dental hygienist over and over, and she kind of follows up if you've been doing the tips and tricks from the last visit. Then you talk to Dr. Holmes, and he comes in and he really asks you questions about how are you doing, and he truly cares. He doesn't ever feel like he's trying to rush off to see the next patient. And then also, when you talk to him about an issue that you might have, he really takes a minute, asks you a lot of questions, and then you really come up with a plan on how you're going to attack that particular situation. And I just always walk out feeling like that I've received the best care possible and that I'm just in great hands.